it's a strange magic. Got a strange magic. Got a strange magic. You're walking meadows in my mind, making waves across my tongue. Oh no, oh no, I get a strange magic. Oh, what a strange magic. Oh, it's a strange magic. What a strange magic. Got a strange magic. Oh, I'm never gonna be same again. Now I've seen the way it's got to end. Sweet dreams, sweet dreams. Got a strange magic. Oh, what a strange magic. Oh, it's a strange magic. Got a strange magic. Got a strange magic. It's magic. It's magic. It's magic. Got a strange magic. Oh, strange magic. Oh, it's strange magic. Got a strange magic. Strange magic. Oh, what a strange magic. Oh, strange magic. Got a strange magic. Got a strange magic. Well, hi there, pluckers. I'm the Sore Fingers, back with you again for an interesting lesson. A classic song from ELO, of course, and a song called Strange Magic. And this is not the easiest song in the world, I've got to say. The intro is quite tricky. It's a simplified version, obviously. The intro I've kept as much as I can into it for a single acoustic guitar, but there's quite a lot going on in that intro. But this is my take on it anyway. So I hope you enjoyed that. I'll come back in a couple of days and I'll break it down for you. I might do this intro as a separate lesson and the rest of the song in the second part. Okay, we'll see how it goes. But I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.